Students, this is your database management systems laboratory, and our ninth experiment is database connectivity with the front end tool. So now I am going to explain about how to connect the Oracle database with the VB front end. So for that, first you open the run SQL command line. So make a connection to the Oracle. After connecting, just to open the VB6 Visual Basic 6 application from the Visual Studio. So open a new project. Okay. So then you add some components into the control panel. So for that, just you right click in the component window, then components. So here you select the ADO DC control, OLE ADO DC control, and also Microsoft ADO DC control, and also Microsoft Data Grid control. Okay, so select these two controls, then give apply and OK. After apply and OK, the components are added into the component window. So just drag it and in your form. So data ADO DC control is finished. Then click the data grid component and drag it in the form. After that, add to component command button. Then change the name of the command, that means the caption of the command, to show. Then in the same way, change the caption of the command to exit in the property window. Then in the ADO DC control, just move to the ADO DC properties. A window will open. Here click the build button. Then click the OLE, that means the OLE database provider for Oracle. Okay. So after clicking OK, then write the username and password that we are using in Oracle. Okay. Then test connection. So after test connection is succeeded, then click the authentication button. Here also you give the same password, same username and password. Then in the next window, record source, here you click the third value, that means to @command table. In the second box, just you type the table name that you wish to display in the data grid window. So before that, you check the table whether it is present or not in the Oracle by using the select star from command. So customers table contain only 2 columns. So customers 1 table contains 5 columns. So put customers 1 in the second box. After that, just apply and give OK. Okay. So now in the command, that means double click on the show button. So here you write set data grid 1 dot data source is equal to ADO DC1. Okay. So the data grid data grid one's data source is ADO-DC 1. Okay. Then in the click on the exit command button. So code window will open. So here you write unload me or write end something. Okay. After that, save the project. So this project 1 is already exists. So I change the name of the project. Then now run the project. Okay, by clicking the run command. So here you click the show button. It will take the customers one table and display it in the data grid window. So you can move the front and back by using the front and back of the record by using the ADO DC button. Okay, so this is the method for connecting the this is a method for connecting the Oracle database with VB6. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much for watching.